It was a cold Sunday morning. The streets were quiet, and the air smelled like rain. Liam sat alone at the kitchen table, staring at his phone. He had messages to answer, work to do, and plans for the week. But his heart felt heavy. Something inside him whispered, "You forgot something important." His mother's birthday had passed 2 days ago. He had meant to call her, but he was too busy. Now guilt sat on his chest like a stone. He took a deep breath and decided to visit her that morning. When he arrived at his childhood home, the door was half open. He stepped inside, and the smell of coffee filled the air. His mother was sitting in her old chair, reading a book. She looked up and smiled gently. "Liam," she said softly. "What a surprise." "I missed your birthday, Mom," he said quietly. "I'm sorry." She smiled again. "That's okay, dear. I know you're busy." But her voice carried a small sadness that she tried to hide. He sat beside her, feeling ashamed. They talked about small things, the weather, the neighbors, the garden. Then his mother showed him an old photo album. Inside were pictures of him as a child, laughing, playing, hugging her. Liam looked at the photos and felt a tear in his eye. "I remember that day," he whispered. "You took me to the park." "Yes," she said. "You wanted to stay there all day. You didn't want it to end." They both laughed softly. The room felt warm again. Hours passed quickly. Liam helped her make lunch, wash dishes, and feed the cat. They talked about life, dreams, and time. His mother said, "You know, Liam, time is the only thing we can't get back." He nodded. Her words stayed in his mind like music that doesn't fade. Before leaving, Liam hugged her tightly. "I'll visit more often," he promised. She smiled, her eyes shining. "That's the best gift you can give me." That evening, as Liam drove home, the rain began to fall. But he didn't feel sad anymore. He understood something that work and money could never teach him. Love grows only when you give it time. When he reached home, he called his mother again just to say goodnight. Her voice sounded happy and full of peace. From that day on, Liam stopped rushing through life. He made time for calls, walks, and real conversations. He realized that every minute spent with someone you love is a minute that never truly disappears. That is the gift of time, a gift that costs nothing, but means everything.